So why is it when you walk into a house, some spots are hotter and some spots are cooler? Well, in today's episode, we're going to talk about that. Welcome back. I'm Kevin with Kalka Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning in Irvine. And today we're going to talk about those hot spots or cool spots in your home and why isn't the temperature where it should be everywhere. And maybe I've got 4 great reasons that could be causing that. First one would be ductwork. Sometimes the ductwork just isn't laid out properly, or it could be leaking out into your attic. So what you want to do is feel airflow coming out of the registers throughout the house and see if the airflow is even. That could be just distribution problem of the way they ran the ductwork, or it could be that you got leaking ductwork in the attic. Another item, more often than not, is there's inadequate return air. That is the air that's returned back into the air handler of your air conditioner. If that is compromised or too small, it will not deliver the airflow that it's required to deliver to cool your home off, and that can oftentimes be a simple fix. One of the other reasons that's pretty common is you just didn't change your filter. This is something simple. You just look for the filter, pull it out, and see if you can even see light through it. You'd be surprised how oftentimes it's something that simple. And the fourth solution is the system may just be undersized. It's not uncommon to find a home where load has changed, meaning trees were cut down and it used to be in the shade and now it's not. It's getting warmer and warmer outside these summers, and that system might not be big enough for your home. So that's the other thing that you really need to consider, is have a load calculation done on the house, and then we can verify what's required for your particular house and what it's going to take to cool you down. So if you've checked your airflow, you checked your filter, check to see if the unit's working outside, and you're not sure whether it could be that you need a heat load calculation done on your house, that's the time to call us, the professionals. We offer that service at Kalka Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning. We're located here in Irvine, California, serving all of Orange County, and we'd be happy to help you with that.